The Rabbit and the Turtle in the Forest. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a rabbit and a turtle. The rabbit was very fast and proud of his speed. He always laughed at the turtle, saying, "You are so slow. You can never beat me in a race." The turtle smiled calmly and replied, "Maybe I am slow, but I can try. Let's have a race tomorrow." All the animals of the forest gathered the next morning to watch the race. The rabbit ran so quickly that he left the turtle far behind. Seeing this, the rabbit laughed and thought, "The turtle is too slow. I will take a nap under this tree. I still have plenty of time." Meanwhile, the turtle kept moving slowly and steadily, step by step. He did not stop or give up. While the rabbit was sleeping, the turtle passed him quietly and moved toward the finish line. When the rabbit finally woke up, he ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The turtle crossed